We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as cuneiform. You do want to stress on the first syllable, the Q syllable, ʻkjuːnɪfɔːm, cuneiform. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as cuneiform, ʻkjuːnɪfɔːm. You do want to stress on the second syllable in this case, cuneiform. Cuneiform in American English versus cuneiform in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English. I'll see you there to learn more.